Hello Kenta friends. Welcome to our YouTube video where we will discuss 3 top colorization apps for Android. Let's dive in and explore how each of these apps can enhance your photos in different ways. Colorize Color Pop. Colorize Color Pop is a photo editing application available on Android that focuses on turning your photos into black and white images with selective coloring. This app allows users to select specific areas of the photo to retain its original color while turning the rest of the image into black and white. This selective coloring effect can create visually striking images by highlighting certain elements in a photo. Colorize Color Pop offers various tools and features to help users easily edit and enhance their photos, such as different brush sizes for precise editing, adjustable intensity levels, and the ability to undo and redo changes. PixeLeap. PixeLeap is a colorization application for Android that allows users to add color to black and white photos. With PixeLeap, users can bring old or grayscale photos to life by applying color to them manually. The app provides a range of colors and tools to help users accurately colorize their images, such as a color picker tool for selecting specific shades and tones. Additionally, PixeLeap offers various editing features like zooming in for detailed coloring, changing brush sizes for precision, and the ability to undo and redo changes. Users can save their colorized photos in high quality and share them with others directly from the app. Colorize Image. Colorize Image is an Android application designed to automatically add color to black and white photos using artificial intelligence technology. This app simplifies the colorization process by eliminating the need for manual coloring, making it a convenient option for users looking to quickly add color to their images. Users can simply upload a black and white photo to Colorize Image, and the app will automatically apply colors based on its algorithms and patterns. In conclusion, whether you prefer selective coloring, manual colorization, or automatic colorization through AI technology, these apps provide versatile options for adding color to your black and white photos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on photo editing apps.